This is a video about encouragement. If you want to know why you should make a video, even if no one watches, I'm going to give you 6 really solid reasons for this. If you're stuck right now, if you need motivation, I'm going to really share with why you should stay the course. Building your portfolio. When new viewers find you, they should see a collection of valuable, thoughtful videos. A portfolio is really important if you're a maker or you're a crafter. Something that shows consistency and dedication. The worst thing that could ever happen to a channel is you get a viral video at the beginning by some accidental nature. Maybe you do something that's inappropriate, or you do something that's funny, or something that's random, and you get viral because you didn't learn anything from it. The algorithm needs data. YouTube's algorithm learns from your uploads. More content equals more chances for the algorithm to understand and promote you. Reps, not results. Focus on consistent practice, not immediate success. Every video is a step towards improving essential skills like speaking, editing, and storytelling. Your future self that's extremely good on camera, maybe you're speaking such authentic voice that you're changing lives. That needs to be honed. You have to practice it like a skill, like Harry Potter with his wand, or someone that's laying a foundation where they weren't good at the beginning and then they were really good after they practiced it. So instead of focusing on each individual video, focus on your entire skill set. Forget YouTube being that something that someone watches. The reason why you need it to put it out there is it's accountability. What accountability means is that you get more things done when you feel like there's a reason or you're under the gun. So it's motivation is created by sort of momentum. The momentum of a runner before he jumps over the sand in whatever that Olympic thing is, he doesn't start from nothing. He starts by creating content and getting things going, and then he takes this beautiful leap at the very end because he had momentum. Long-term mindset. Each post you make is not about the views, it's about building your foundation like I talked about. It's a brick, and over a certain amount of time, you'll have such an awesome foundation. Your future self will say, thank you so much for creating this because I needed it. I didn't have that clarity that I needed, and I focused on building my foundation of a pool of videos instead of one video. Authenticity comes from consistency. I didn't get this at first. I felt like I was just an open and honest and transparent person. But after you develop the skills, you can actually, that shield, all of the things, the barriers that you have go away. And being authentic is the way that people get connected with you. It's why they want to subscribe. They don't care about the content. They care the way that you talked about it, the way that you motivated them, the way that you made them feel is more important. I had a friend that sold BMW cars, and he told me that it's not, you don't sell BMW cars and you become successful by selling a lot of them. But the fact of the matter is you sell yourself. I want to do business. I want to connect. I need this person in my life. Most people quit too soon. This is what separates the big creators from the little creators. You need to be able to stay the course. And by looking at individual views from each video is not going to let you focus on the end game. It is a marathon. It is not a race. The most amazing things that have happened to me with this YouTube channel in terms of conversation and adventure and taking my camera to places that I've never been, I didn't expect. And that's really what I want from you, is to keep enough momentum that you build your skills, you develop the foundation, and you really find yourselves in really awesome places with conversation and even adventure that you never thought you were on. I want you to be a train that is moving at a really nice pace, that is getting stuff done, and people just want to jump on because it's fun, it's engaging, it's motivating, it's aligning with what they want with their niche or what they need, like motivation, because you're going to be going great places and they don't want to feel left out.